Yoga is a sport of body and mind, spanning ancient historical origins in Indian philosophy, and yoga patterns that combine breathing, relaxation, meditation and physical movements are numerous. Today, yoga has become very popular. Being a form of physical exercise that relies on specific physical positions, with the aim of improving control over the mind, body, and rest. There are more than 100 different forms of yoga, some of which include fast and intense movements, while others include movements of rest and relaxation. Examples include: Yin yoga is a contemplative style of yoga, which is implemented for a period ranging from 3 to 7 minutes maximum, and is done in a sitting position, or lying on the abdomen or back with breathing, and trying to calm the body and mind. Its goal is to allow the body's connective tissue to relax, which is suitable for new yoga trainees, as it helps build flexibility and release tension. There is a type of Ashtanga yoga, and this model is called strength yoga, because it focuses on strong movements, such as pressure that requires strength and endurance, and is suitable for people who seek to rehabilitate their back injuries, and sports people, such as runners, and cyclists, and who want to increase flexibility, balance. Bikram yoga is called hot yoga, because it is done in a very warm room, which is an appropriate way to increase flexibility, because heat helps to extend body tissues, but it is not suitable for people who suffer from cardiovascular disease, due to pressure on the body while exercising strongly in a hot environment. Hatha yoga contains a series of positions that allow the internal energy to flow freely and give the feeling of vigor and recovery, but implementing it requires a balance between strength and flexibility. The benefits of yoga. Yoga promotes physical health in many different ways. Some of them are derived from improved stress management, and others come more directly from physical movements and postures in yoga, which help to enhance flexibility and reduce joint pain. Here are some of the physical and psychological benefits of yoga based on a number of studies. Some yoga exercises burn fat, and thus lose weight. Yoga plays a major role in relieving anxiety and stress, and it increases feelings of relaxation. Because it teaches man how to meditate. Increases the elasticity of the body, including the back and shoulders. Significantly relieves back pain. According to recent scientific studies, yoga has been shown to reduce depression. It helps to sleep better, because it improves mood and fights insomnia. Renewing body energy and feeling refreshed and energetic. Revitalizing the body's systems and blood circulation, and improving the body's internal condition. It has a great role in tightening the entire body and muscles. It provides the body with great energy and makes it more balanced. It increases sexual energy. Increases the efficiency of the breathing process. Reduces menstrual pain and premenstrual symptoms. It works to raise the level of hemoglobin in the blood, thus protecting the body from anemia. Helps treat arthritis. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and support us by liking the video.